walking around. Sino may lungad ngayon sa mga katawan nila? Wala? Ako lang. Ay, hi, Mommy. Hey, hello. Yes, ako. I am walking around with spit up on my shirt. I dressed twice today because yung una kong damit, may lungad. So, yun. Ngayon si Yaya ang kumukuha ng lungad ng baby ko. Ayan. Oh, okay. For those who I wasn't prepared for moments, please join our contest. We'll be choosing 2 winners. Please make sure the hashtag is TRU, I wasn't prepared for moment, and please set your post to public and share it on your Facebook. The best answer gets to win something from Toys R Us. So 2 winners, we'll be picking out 2 winners. So yeah, you're going to forget things, and that's okay. You're going to make a mess, and that's okay. You're going to be scared leaving the hospital, and that's okay. The honest truth is that no parent is ever prepared to be one, and no one is really prepared for an airplane diaper blowout. This happened to me, but not diaper blowout. What happened is, nung landing na kami, akala ko okay na. Kasi yung first plane ride namin, feeling ko mag-viral na ako kasi sobrang ingay ng anak ko.